So, what's up sa mga students ko out there? So, panibagong araw, panibagong lessons na naman ang inyong matututunan. So, before we proceed to our lesson for today, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. So, once you're done, ano pang hinihintay mo? Watch, listen, learn, and apply. Aral na! So, for today's video, I will discuss to you the importance of technology. Ma'am, I have a question po. Technology po ba talaga? Hindi po ba yung technology? Sabi nyo kasi technology. Yes, Jezebel. Tama ka narinig, anak. Technology. Aside from matabang katawan ni teacher, mataba rin syempre utak ni teacher. Because technology means teaching technology. Pinagsama-sama ko yung mga letters, T-E-A-C-H, tapos yung teach, then technology is technology. Kaya nabuo ko yung technology. I mean, technology. So now, I will give you the reasons why is it important. Why technology or teaching technology is important in our daily lives, especially you are a student and I am a teacher.
So first, we can use it to attract the attention of our students. We can use it to let our students engage in school. By means of technology, using PowerPoint presentation, we can present our lesson easier and interesting. We can use technology to boost our students' skills, knowledge, and ability by the use of educational softwares. And by the use of technology, it's easy to communicate and to give important information or announcement to the student, parents, and other important persons related in our profession.
So that are the reasons why teaching technology is important. So there are more reasons why is it important. So yung mga reasons na yun, yung galing lang naman sa akin. So that is my own opinion, that is my own perception with regards to the importance of teaching technology. So when we say teaching technology kasi, it has different definition with different areas. Pwedeng teaching technology because you as a teacher or me as a teacher, I use technology as my supporting tool to engage my students in school. Or kaya, teaching technology, you as a teacher, ginagamit mo ito or itinuturo mo ito sa mga students mo kung on how to operate technology. So, yung mga ganong bagay. Yun kasi yung pwede maging definition ng teaching technology. So, number one reasons ko nga, sabi ko doon, we can use it to attract the attention of our students. So, paano? So, meron ako dito, ito yung screen ko, then ito yung laptop ko, so connected siya. Siyempre, by means of what? Pwede natin gamitin yung YouTube to attract the interest of our students. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga cartoons, ng mga videos, para ipakita or yung which is related naman dun sa lessons na ituturo natin sa kanila. Kasi alam naman natin, in 21st century, lahat sila talagang aware na on how to use technology. So, technology may help us as a teacher to promote or to gain and to attract their interest or focus when it comes to the learning or the learning process. So, my second reason, sabi ko nga dun, we can use it to let our students engage in school. Like, for example, being a teacher, meron tayong mga introduction, meron tayong mga energizers, or for example, ito. We will use this video to engage our students. Diba? Imbis na tayo yung sumasayaw doon, baka mas lalo silang ganahan kapag meron silang nakikita or meron silang nakikita sa screen na pinaggagayahan nila. Like, for example, itong video na to. So, ito, si technology ay makaka-boost ng interest and at the same time, mas lalo silang ma-engage na pumasok sa'yo na, ay, si teacher ganito kasi may pa-zumba siya pero sa sa TV screen pala nanggagaling yung tinuturo niya or yung pinanggagayahan. So, alam mo naman natin na mga bata attracted din sa mga gadgets, like for example, for laptops, cellphones, and as well sa TV. So, lahat yan, basta bata, attracted sila sa mga gantong gadgets. So, third one, sabi ko nga dun, by means of technology, using PowerPoint presentation, we can present our lesson easier and interesting. Like, for example, nakakita nyo dito sa may TV screen ko, naghanda ako ng PowerPoint presentation. So, like, for example, ito yung topic or yung discussion na gagawin ko. So, meron siyang pagbate, andito rin yung motivation, andito rin kung ano yung ituturo ko. For example, the learning area standard. So, this is my topic. So, andito na sa screen or hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng blackboard. Kasi nga, in 21st century learning, hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga traditional eh. For example, mas nag-e-engage ang bata kapag nakikita niya yung dinidiscuss mo through TV screen. Like, for example, yung may mga ganyang GIS, yung mga gumagalaw-galaw. So, dun kasi sila mas na-attract. So, the fourth one, sabi ko nga dun, we can use technology to boost our students' skills, knowledge, and ability. So, by means of educational software. So, meron ako ditong inihanda na educational software which is yung game. So, ang tawag dito is yung Bookworm. So, ayan. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin para ma-boost yung skills, knowledge, and ability when it comes to spelling, when it comes to words. So, tignan natin ha. Ayan. So, for example, mag-game na tayo. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, may mga letters dyan. So, yung mga letter na dyan, gagawa lang siya kung ano yung pwedeng words na magawa. For example, G-O-A-N-T. So, a-attack natin siya. Ayun. So, goat. Pwede siya. So, eto, mabuboost natin yung knowledge ng bata when it comes to words, to vocabulary. So, and for the last one or the fifth one, sabi ko din, it's easy to communicate to the students, to the parents kapag magbibigay tayo ng mga important announcement or important informations na galing sa school or for example, pag may bagyo, di ba? And one of the best applications na pwede natin gamitin is si Messenger. So, hindi ko siya pinopromote ha, pero si Messenger kasi is yung one of the best communication app na pwede natin gawin. Bukod sa libre na to, kasi pwede natin siyang gamitin kapag free data tayo, hindi naman kailangan may load. So, basta malakas yung signal, carry na. So, Messenger, Facebook Lite, yun yung mga ginagamit natin. Hindi katulad ni Skype, hindi katulad ni Edmodo, for example, or ng ibang applications na kailangan talaga natin ng load or ng internet access para makapag-send ng informations. Unlike kay Messenger na free data, carry na, or pwede ka na makapag-send ng information. So, napaka-helpful talaga ni technology sa atin bilang guro, bilang future teacher, bilang students, so bilang tao, hindi lang porket teacher, hindi lang porket engineer, hindi lang porket doctor, so bilang tao. So magagamit natin siya in all aspects in our sa pang-araw-araw nating gawa. We can apply these situations or this information in the near future. So enable for us to be an effective teacher someday. So for more update videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching!